camera starts counting seconds. Hello everyone, and this is another battery video in which I take the batteries as a mini Simon Trickster. So, is it going? Sorry about that, but it takes double A's. I know that, but I just wanna, or will I need to put new batteries in this? Very curious. Yep, looks like I will need to. So, let me get this battery door off. Oh, god dang it. This is disturbing. Oh my god! Why is it doing this? I have no clue. Oh, there we go. It's actually coming now. Sorry if you hear the noise in the background. Okay. Yeah, these batteries, they're pretty much dead. So I'm gonna put these away. I'm gonna put them over here, where I'm gonna put them like so. Where they dead? So I will later throw this away. I have it over here, putting them over here, and now, gotten rid of the old batteries. Now I'm gonna get some brand new batteries. Let's see. I'm gonna put it here. Here's one. Oh, here's another one. I have a wide variety of stuff under there. I think the last one's under the camera. And then, oh no, it's under here somewhere. Let's see. Oh, here's this. There's the last giveaway. I have a whole bunch of batteries. Oh, there's the second screwdriver from the last video. God dang. Well, now I have two screwdrivers. God dang. Let me just put this one over here. And god dang, sorry. So, now, let's put these new batteries in and hope that it works. And, is that my cat? I think that was just my cat. Oh well. Doesn't matter if it was my cat, so let's just pop this last battery in. Let's put the plopper in. Let's hope that this one actually works. So, let's hope these ploppers work, and let's hope they don't actually become a plopper. So I don't know why I called them a plopper. Oh god dang it! Well, it's working. Not like loops, like the battery door will come off, but I'm gonna see if it does the exact same glitch. So let me see. It's still loose, but it stays on. Man, Hasbro. I don't know what company Loops is made by, but you get it. A lot of battery doors have that glitch. Well, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to share this video with friends. Goodbye.